Call to me and I'll answer you, and I will tell you great and hidden things which you have not known.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How have you guys been? It's been a while, it's been like forever since I last filmed a video here. But yeah, I've been good. I just disappeared for a minute. And I'm going to tell you something. Before this video, I've done a video before now, and I wasn't putting on makeup. I just wanted to like come here being my original self. And you guys, I could not even watch the video. Like my face was looking fat, which is normal when you're pregnant. And yeah, which is normal when you're pregnant. And I had all these patches, like some part of my face seems to be darker than the rest, and I had pimple all over my face. And I'm just like, you know what, in as much as I want to be that whole natural girl, love yourself kind of person, I'm not gonna film myself like this. I cannot do this. So I decided to do this video again, but this time I'm putting on my makeup, which is better, just that my face still looks fat. And you guys, I don't like looking fat. There's nothing wrong with being fat. It's just that I have been slim and now I'm fat. And as soon as I have this baby, I'm going to lose all this baby fat or pregnancy fat, whatever people call it. But that's not why we're here. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Victoria, and I am a beauty blogger. I am a beauty blogger basically, but we're going to be introducing something new into this channel. The original purpose why I opened this channel was because I wanted to be more of myself, my original self. I wanted to share my life experience on this channel. And you guys, I've been through a lot. Life has taught me so much, and I feel like there's someone out there who's going to relate to my story. So I wanted to like come out, like open this channel and be like, you know what, we're going to be posting self-care, beauty, hair care, and all of that. But at the same time, we're going to go deep. We're going to really open up. We're going to really open up, going to go really deep, and just share some parts of us that I probably never dreamed that I would share. And I hope that I'm relating to someone out there, or that I would relate to someone out there, that I would reach someone who would watch my video and, feel something, feel motivated, or feel inspired one way or the other. So that means I am a lifestyle, basically beauty, self-care, and your motivational vlogger. And I disappeared for a minute. I was supposed to do this last year, this whole introduction thing, but I had one of like the biggest challenges from last year to till this very year. You guys, I have been fighting battles, and don't worry, I plan on going into everything that I've fought, everything that I right now that I'm going through, and I know by the grace of God that I am going to overcome it. Because when you have faith, um, your faith can do wonders, and I have faith that I'm going to overcome whatever I'm going through right now. So, but I'm going to give you a tip of what happened last year that I couldn't really like come in here and introduce my channel how I would want to introduce this channel. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. So last year I was robbed. I was basically assaulted last year. I had a miscarriage last year. I had friends who basically stabbed me in the back and in the front last year. A year before, which was like 2021, 2022, basically last year was 2023. So 2022, my fiance had an accident, a very terrible accident. Like, it was so traumatic for me, and I try to recover. Each time I try to recover, it just feel like I'm being sink back into that mode of depression. Yeah, and to be honest, it would have been worse. It's just that I've always like prayed my way out of it, and God has always shown up for me. He has never really left me to be like, what, fight this battle yourself. And there's one thing that I've noticed is each time that I call onto God and be like, God, this is what I'm going through right now. Like, I need you. Like, I need you, God. Like, I need you, my Father. I need you to go through this with me. I need to be able to overcome this. One way or the other, I end up overcoming it. So yes, I would say that I didn't open or I didn't introduce my channel the whole of last year, and we're almost in the mid of 2024, because I was depressed. And recently something happened again that has made me just wonder, like, why does it have to be me? Why does things keep happening to me? But at the same time, I'm just like, you know what, you might think it's bad, but it's not as bad as you think it is. The Bible did say, call unto me and I'll show you great and mighty things which thou knowest not. So every time I feel like I'm down, I think about where I am right now and where I was before. You get, like, where I was before, I was lost. I lived life depending on substance to make me feel better, make me feel okay. And where I am right now, I'm facing things head on with my clear eyes. I'm just like, going straight on with it, and praying to God. And you know what? And I'm like, God, whenever I go to Him, I just believe and I trust that He's going to handle this for me. Like, He's going to, like, be there for me. Do you get? So yes, I have two channels. I don't plan on sharing this channel to any of my social media platform, because, like I said, I'm going to be going really, really deep. So I don't want other people. I'm not insecure. I just feel like people who know me personally, if they come across my video, fine. But I don't want to share this. I just want to meet people organically. Like, the people that I want to meet here, I want you to come across my video. I want you to come across my channel and be like, you know what? I like this video. I like what this lady is saying. I like what this person is saying. I relate to this person. I want to subscribe to her channel. I want to follow up to her channel. And when I want to be able to read the comment section and feel proud that, okay, this, I didn't have to share to any of my social media to reach the people that I want to reach. So, like I said, I am going to go into details step by step. You're going to catch up with me. But for the now, yeah, I'm going to end this video right here, because this was meant to just be like a short video, just me introducing myself. Like I said, my name is Victoria, and I am a beauty, self-care, lifestyle, and motivational, inspirational. Like, I'm just your sister in general. I'm that sister who wants you to like be well. I'm that sister who wants you to take care of yourself. I'm that sister who wants you to grow physically, mentally, everywhere. Lee. Do you get? So that's who you're going to be seeing on this channel. That's who I'm going to be introducing myself as. So if there's anything that you want to know, please go to the comment section and leave a comment there. And if you come across my video, however, and you feel like there's something you want me to talk about, or that you relate to anything I'm saying, please, guys, do not hesitate to go to the comment section, comment, because the more comments that I read, knowing that I'm reaching out to someone, the more I feel like, okay, I feel like, yes, I'm doing the right thing. I feel like I'm not just sitting down here talking to myself and all of that. And I hope to see you girls on my channel, clicking that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching to this very part. If you watched to this very part, which means you're feeling this girl right here, so thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and if I didn't, you know what, as time goes on, you're going to get to know me. Yes, I'm married, but I don't have kids yet. But I don't want to rush everything on this video. So make sure you subscribe as we uncover more days with Victoria. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Subscribe, okay? Turn on your notification bell.